Hello, and welcome to another episode. We are your hosts today. I am Sean Calhoun, and this is my lovely wife.
Hello, I'm Christina Calhoun.
And we're with Pretty Home Realty, and today we're going to be talking about a subject of new construction. We're going to give you a new construction update because we have some good news, maybe. So anyway, let's get right into it. Christina, talk to me. You said we got some good news. What's the new construction good news? 2020. We had a lot of bad news. Give me something good.
All right, so newly built homes from March 2020 to April 2020 rose 1%.
Woo! 1%. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Why is 1% so good?
Well, normally we wouldn't be talking about 1% of home sales, right? But economists predicted that they would fall
by 22%.
Yeah.
So to actually, instead of falling by 22%, to go up by 1%, that is really good.
It's significant.
So I guess, how did this happen?
Mm-hmm.
How did this happen when economists were thinking that it was going to fall so hard?
Well, one of the things we mentioned before was that there is this pent-up demand for housing. There's not as many houses available, and
existing homes.
Yeah, there's not as many available, and mortgage rates fell in April as an incentive for buyers to fill out more mortgage applications to buy a house.
Okay, so basically what you're saying is it's cheaper to buy a house because the mortgage rates went down, so your money goes further.
Yeah.
All right. And then what was the other thing you said?
Well, there's another reason too. We said the pent-up demand.
Okay, it's a pent-up demand. People wanted to buy homes, and because of COVID, they just couldn't, right? They couldn't just buy homes. Okay.
And compared to last year, the average median price of a newly built home dropped 8.5%.
That is substantial. That is a big deal. 8.5%. So what does that mean? Like, what is 8.5%?
That's over like $25,000 in savings. So the new average price on a new construction home is around $309,900.
Okay, right. $309,900. So basically, if I'm going to buy a house, I'm saving $25,000
plus a lower interest rate.
Plus a lower interest rate stretched out over 30 years. Okay. Well, that makes sense. That's why it went up instead of going down. So what does this mean now? Like, what does this mean for buyers out here now looking at new construction? If some of our listeners are thinking about buying a home, how could this benefit them right now where we're at today?
Well, obviously, the prices are lower, and a lot of people feel more comfortable touring new construction homes because they're empty.
Yeah.
They haven't been lived in.
Right.
So with this whole COVID-19 pandemic, people are more comfortable going into a house that someone doesn't live in and the possibility of the coronavirus spreading. So they can look at the new models, they can do online tours of, they can see the plans for the house. Whereas this is something we've seen even since it opened up, because for the month of April, everything was shut down. You couldn't even tour a house, right? It wasn't even allowed.
In most areas, it was non-essential.
Yes. And then even with it opening up now, we
people
still
are like,
see
no. They're like, no. People are like, we have children.
Yes.
We don't want to leave our house. We don't want strangers coming through. We don't care if they have masks. It's too much of a hassle to try to disinfect my home.
Yeah.
And that's what we're hearing for the most part. But if you're looking at a new construction home, this is not a home where people are in the house sneezing, blowing their nose, living with pets and things like that. This is a empty home, or a home that is staged. And also, a lot of new construction homes have the plans, right? So with the plans, you have the dimensions and things laid out where you can really see it really well, even if you didn't go in it in person. So, I mean, like we've been doing virtual tours as far as those type of things, but you know, it's just a lot easier. That's the bottom line with new construction.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is that all you got for us?
That's our update.
Well, guess what? If you're looking at getting a new construction property, we can actually give you a list of our current new construction properties in your area. So if you want, this is on Facebook Live right now, but it's also going to be posted on YouTube. So you can there's going to be a link below on YouTube. So you can just go to the link and just request the list of homes, new construction in your area. And then on Facebook Live here, you can just send us a message and we'll be posting the link. We might just post it in the comments or something like that. So it'll be around here, somewhere around here. But until the next episode,
next Wednesday at 1 o'clock,
we'll see you then. All right.
Thanks for watching. Shout out to Millie, Amber, and Larissa for joining us.
Thanks, Larissa.
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you soon.